Bilal Lone joining us live from Srinagar this evening. Bilal Lone, thank you very much. Who is taking money from Pakistan?
You are telling me?
I'm asking you. I'm asking you, Bilal Lone, can you hear me?
First of all, let me put the whole thing into perspective, in the right perspective. I think things are being, blown out of proportion. Number one. And number two, I don't think a channel like yours should act as an extension of an intelligence agency. Don't mind it, but we are friends. Let me be very honest with you.
I'm quoting you. Are you trying to retract? Are you trying to retract on television?
I am not retracting.
If you retract, it's all right.
Listen, Arnav, I am not retracting. I said that this was a part of a debate on a local TV channel here, wherein I was just talking about the rights and wrongs about Kashmir politics. And in that thing, I talked about the holy cow thing. I told the honorable anchor that there is no holy cow in Kashmir. So debate lingered on. And I think that about the money thing, I said, yes, we received money, and I did not name any country, whether India or Pakistan, but I said, yes, there are lots of sympathizers of Kashmir cause who donate generously.
No, I'm asking you, Bilal Lone. Bilal Lone. I'm asking you tonight. I'm quoting you. First of all, I don't understand how
quote me.
No, one second. I don't understand how what you say in a local channel and a national channel can mean two different things, unless you're making a retraction tonight. But I'm quoting, you say, I haven't taken money from both sides. I've taken it from only one side.
Yeah, that's
for
fine.
the last, allow me to complete.
Yeah.
For the last 1.5 years, money from this channel also has stopped. Thank God for it. We don't betray the people who financially help us. Within the separatist system, there are some people who will only talk because if they don't talk, their shops will shut down. What are you talking about?
Arnab, can you allow me to talk?
Sure, I am letting you talk. Please go.
Well, I am telling you that whenever the resolution process on Kashmir is about to take a forward step, there are a section of a society within the separatist rank who don't want the status quo to break. That's where I say that people have shops here and they don't want their shops to shut down, and I am still saying it again. And number two, I said that we receive funding, and I say yes, I did not name any country, whether India or Pakistan.
What is both sides?
But I said
let's talk honestly tonight. Bilal Lone,
I said funding.
Bilal Lone, let's talk honestly. You said both sides. You don't expect me to believe that both sides are both sides of some river. I talk about both sides of the border.
I am not saying about the river. I am saying that Kashmiris around the world fund us.
Both sides.
And I am saying it live on your program.
No, both sides
I
of what?
Funding
both
from the
sides.
Kashmiris. And they think that it's a just cause. No, that's it I'm saying.
No, both sides of what? Because you say some people have taken money from both sides. Both sides of the border, both sides of the equator, both sides of the Greenwich line, both sides of a river, or both sides of the international border. What do you mean by both sides?
I said, I am not retracting. I am still saying that funding for any movement is the life of the movement. And I said that we used to get funds, but now funds have stopped coming. I don't deny it. But the funding doesn't mean I never named Pakistan, I never named India. Pakistan, you see, the basic problem with your channel is that
what
you are
both
happy
sides?
with the Pakistan bashing.
No,
I don't want to be a part of Pakistan
what's
bashing.
Both sides
Let's
then?
be honest. Just quote me once in my interview where I have named Pakistan. Well, I am of this view that Pakistan is a supporter of this cause, but he is not my master. So let's be honest about this thing also.
You have taken...
But as on date, Pakistan is supporting this movement politically and morally, and yes, I take the support.
Bilal Lone,
but about the funding thing, I never named Pakistan.
Bilal Lone, I am not going to say whether you are retracting, but you are clearly changing your position. I am simply asking you tonight. You have a right to change your position. From my understanding, you are changing your position.
I am not changing.
You are. I just want to ask you one last thing. When you say I haven't taken money from both sides, because let the people who are watching the news hour tonight know what is happening. We're asking the question tonight, are separatists being paid? And if you're saying they're being paid from both sides, can you please tell us what those both sides are?
I never said separate. I said about myself. I said that there are certain small quarters who may be paid by the Indian NC. I'm not saying I don't have any proof, but you are clubbing the whole separatists in one group and trying to, create a wedge between us. I am very particular about my group. We are one strong unit, And I am saying about myself, yes, I receive funding from abroad. That is a very big yes for it. That's
Abroad?
it. And Kashmiris abroad have been giving money to us, and I have been taking it. Let's be honest.
Are you under pressure?
I am not
Are you under
retracting
pressure,
what I
Bilal
am
Lone?
saying.
Are
And
you
I
under
think,
pressure? Are you under
not
pressure
at all.
since having
Forget
made
about
that
it,
comment?
Arnab. I am not under pressure. Well, Arnab, I told you in the earlier, and I am telling you again, I don't want Arnab's channel to be seen as an extension of some intelligence agency.
You have a...
Let Arnab talk as Arnab Goswami.
I am asking you as Arnab Goswami.
So let us not go.
I am asking you as Arnab
Yeah,
Goswami.
I am
Since
answering
you
you
said...
as Bilal Lone. I am said.
I am asking you very much as Arnab and not as any different incarnation, Bilal. But there's a difference between what you've been saying.
Yeah.
Do you're saying you did not mean to point fingers at Pakistan, and I'm asking you, are you under pressure to say that?
Not at all, Arnab. I am not at. If I would have been under pressure, I would not talk to your channel. Let's be honest. I am not under any pressure, but I just want to put things straight and very clear. I mean to say that let's not create a wedge. Let you not become a tool in creating a wedge between my colleagues and me. I talked about myself, and when this thing happened, this was in the backdrop of Fazl Haq's assassination attempt.
Right.
So whatever I talked was, let us limit it to that thing only.
Okay. Well,
And I am not denying, yes, I have received foreign funding from Kashmiris abroad.
Right.
Very honest. But now it has stopped. I think things have changed, and I think the system here is too strong. Foreign funding is not coming to us now.
But
To me now. But I am not retracting what I am saying.
you're not retracting, but I continue to insist. I continue to insist that in meaning and in grammar, what you're saying tonight is totally different from what you said earlier. We'll play that clip again if you want. The difference is quite obvious. But Bilal Lone, let me say that for coming tonight on the news hour, giving your point of view, whether or not one agrees with what you're saying tonight, I'm not going to pass judgment on that. For coming and speaking out tonight, and one knows that you're a moderate Hurriyat leader, thank you very much. That's Bilal Lone talking to us directly from Srinagar this evening. Thank you very much, Bilal Lone, for coming on the news hour this evening.